Hello folks, Dave here with another video review. First and foremost, Dad, John, David, I miss y'all. Every day, guys. And yeah. Up today is one of my favorite aerial bots. There's the Zeta toy Superitron Airstrike, also known as Air Raid for the original G1. Comes with a card. Oh, it's a very nice card because it shows the actual translucent versions on there, not just, rehash cards that some companies do. Here he is against the Combiner Wars Air Raid. And, Air Raid, forgot to put down her thing. Had him out as the leg is Superitron. And yeah, so he's a pretty big plane. I mean, let's see if I can do this. I mean, there it is. I mean, it's yeah, it's a pretty big plane. So there he is. By the instructions, these are his weapons. Nice translucent black colored gun with a nice blue color, baby blue piece of paint there. Missiles, also translucent, and it comes with two sets, and it comes with little like a missile holder that just put on there. Boom, boom. And boom. See, so that's pretty nice. And you can put them anywhere you find a port. So that's nice. And he has landing gear. This one's actually on a little what is a spring loaded thing. And these, are pretty nice there to put up. Pretty easy to take these off. There's his plane mode. Very nice. I like the see-through color. Of course, translucent, Of course, the stripes aren't, but they did put it. Lots of tempo graphs, like not a step, no step, no step. Silver intakes, Sunburst silver intakes, ZBO2. Okay, that's open. Cockpit, that's open, and that's closed. And it's just a really nice plane. Of course, you can see the body, but that's basic with all aerobots. It's really, really nice. So, it's pretty cool. Okay, to transform this guy, pick up the wheels, flip that in, close that off. See how it hides there pretty well. Open this, close this off, boom. Come to the front. Open this, and where is it? Oh, you open. Oh, I guess this way. Get this. Get the wheels. The wheel. And flip that forward. Get the wheel. And why ain't you working with me, wheel? There we go. Close it off, and then you can close that off. Alright, that kind of frees up this whole front of the plane there. You also got to open this so it opens for you. Why won't you open? I transformed this a few times before I put it on camera, But of course, when you're on camera, nothing really seems to work for you. Oops. Okay, this right here is one thing I am having issues with this set. A lot of the things aren't glued down, which is weird to me. And why won't this dude? There we go. There we go. Open that up. Get this here. Flip it in and close it off. Okay. Move this forward. Go to the back. Open that. Flip it to the side. Open these panels here. Open this panel here. And I guess you can take off the jet wings if it helps. Put it to the side. Okay. You open the legs. Panels that control the legs. Boom. There's one. You raise up. Boom. There's the other. Then you combine the rear leg. Combine the feet out. Okay. Separate them. Pull out the regular feet of the robot. Hold on. Pull out the regular feet of the robot. Out and spin. Because it's on the ball joint. And it's going to go forward. Again. Out. And flip. Okay. And then you can go ahead and close these legs back up. There's a tab here that goes into this slot here. So there is a way to make everything lock in place. So if your feet are still moving when you're doing that, well, that means you didn't lock everything in place like you were supposed to. See, that's it. Okay, come back over here. Push this down. Forgot to tell you how to do that. Push this down and close it up. And again, all the hinges are made out of solid material. So the chances of it breaking are, I'm not going to say impossible, but there's less of a chance. Because, well, so it's made out of regular plastic and not translucent plastic. Bring out the toes. And he can pretty much stand on his own there. Right? Yep. Then, push that back. You open up the arms. Pull them out. Can you see that? I hope so. Pull out the arms. And push down this arm. Oh no, you got to open it. Then pop it out. Same thing, Transformer Wars. Pull out the hand, close this, and then pretty much sit there. Turn the hands to the side. There you go. Okay. So I'm making so much noise here. This one too. Pull out the arm. Come to the hand. The lower arm, open it. Okay, pull out the hand, flip the hand around, and I just lost his thumb. But it'll pop back on. Close that up, and do that. Okay, then you come up to here, you open up the chest, and you pull out the head. Okay, come around the back, you get this, close it up, and this tab here goes into that little slot there. Close it up, get this thing, kind of close it, and you see these two slots here, these two tabs here, they go into these little slots here. You close it up, and he's pretty much done. Go. Come on, buddy. Stay together. Stay together. There's the face. And there he is. Take a look at him up and down. He looks pretty good. And his gun does fit into his hand. Open up the fingers. And there's a little slot tab there. Slot on the gun. And you just and close it. So he looks pretty darn good. Nice red colors. Nice see-through translucent plastic that shows like the underneath parts being painted and so forth. Face looks nice. I mean, this is a really nice figure. See, there you go. Very nice figure. All right. And to change them into foot piece, I'm going to do that here in a second. Let me pause this for a second because I need to find the other thumb before I lose it completely. Okay, I found his thumb. Some articulations. Arms do spin all the way around. Hopefully 360 does come out. Upper arm swivel. 90-degree bend. Fist does turn all the way around. It's a little bit difficult, especially with these things that are in the ball joints. Never been too much of a fan of ball joints, but oh well. Head does spin around. Does go wiggle waggle all the way around. He does have waist joint. Okay. And he does have knees and upper knee joints. So that's pretty good. And he does have ankle swivel. And it's easier to transform this guy back into the leg mode from this version. From this position, I guess. Or transformation point or whatever you want to call it. Open this up. Close the hands again. Up. Let me turn this hand straight down. Close this up. And it's basically like you're going to change him back into jet mode, except you're not going to do it all the way. Close this up. Close this up. Turn the fist. Close this. Wait. Combine the war the arm. And do it like this. Makes it a lot simpler. Close this off. Open this up. Flip the head around, turn it back around, close it off, and open the legs up. Come to the back. Alright. Open up this foot and open up this foot. Boom. And you're going to combine your war dams back. And of course, close that. Close that. Okay. And you're not going to tab them together just yet, because I need the foot. What leg was he? Left leg, right? I believe he was the left leg. Turn this around. Flip that in. Turn that around. Flip that in. And you can kind of close it already, I believe. Okay, maybe that's right. Okay, did I do this right? Yeah, I don't know. Let me see. Okay, oh, and put that piece in right. Okay, so let's leave that down there and find his foot. What are you? Yep, this is it. And the feet are pretty cool. Go like this. Right. That's what it is. I forgot to do this. Okay, let me close that. That was on me. Of course it's on me because I was the one transforming it. Stupid. Okay. This right. Hold on, hold on. Something's off. Go there. There. Ooh, that was scary. Alright, the leg go on here. And where is it? Oh yeah, they slide on there. You see these little notches here? Each one slides on there. Let me close this off. Okay. Slides. Yeah, I got the foot wrong. Hold on. Be right back. Okay, folks. I figured out what was wrong. It was the feet. I had them pointed the wrong way. You pop this 1 foot tab onto that little post there. You see there? Then you close this other side onto it too. And I forgot to keep this down. There we go. So yeah, now I'm being pretty rough there, so you know it didn't break, so that's a good thing. And then this thing, ain't it working on me? That's right. That's right. That's right. That's right. Hold on. Alright, I had to try a different way. I'm going to leave these leg ports open, which will make this a little bit easier to close. And you see how it's being held by both. Okay, then this slot right here, this tab, will close up, locking those in place like so. And then you can close the back panels like that. This thing will go back the way it was. Alright. And then this will close as well, locking everything all up. And that's basically it. He is now ready to become the foot Superitron. So yeah, and it's pretty cool. And you can leave the wings off, or you can pop them back in and just bend them back, which is probably what I'm going to do with mine, because I have a tendency of misplacing pieces and I don't want to misplace it. So that's what I'll probably do with mine. And I promise you the next ones will be a little bit better as I get to play with this set a little bit more, get more used to them. But that's it pretty much for Air Raid, aka, what's his name? Airstrike. Thank you for watching. Have a great afternoon, weekend, evening. Sorry this was so rough. But yeah, and he's a big leg, by the way. Check it out. There's Dave's blaster, and yeah, that's a little bit bigger than a blaster, and that's just one leg. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a great afternoon, weekend, evening. And as always, God bless. Please like and subscribe if you can. Thank you. Bye.